Do you find yourself battling stubborn belly fat despite countless workouts? It's a common struggle, one that many people face, regardless of how many hours they've logged on the treadmill or how many crunches they've done. That stubborn belly fat just seems to persist, doesn't it? You see, the secret to overcoming this struggle lies not in the quantity but the quality of your workouts. It's about targeting the right areas, specifically your core. Yes, your core, that powerhouse in the center of your body. It's the key to unlocking a flat, defined stomach. And how do we effectively target the core, you may ask? Well, there's one exercise that stands out from the rest, one that's simple yet incredibly powerful. It's time to say goodbye to those endless, ineffective workouts and hello to a game-changing routine. If you're nodding along, today's video plank workout for flat stomach will introduce you to a game-changing workout, the plank. The plank workout. For flat stomach, a seemingly simple exercise packs a powerful punch when it comes to flattening your stomach. At first glance, it might just look like you're holding yourself up on your elbows and toes. But there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. The beauty of the plank workout for flat stomach lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's an isometric exercise, which means it involves holding a position rather than moving through a range of motion. And this, my friends, is where the magic happens. As you hold that plank position, you're engaging multiple muscle groups at once, but most importantly, you're targeting your core. The core is made up of more than just your abs. It encompasses your entire torso, everything except your arms and legs. When you hold a plank workout for flat stomach, you're forcing these muscles to stabilize your body, to keep it in that straight line, and that's what makes it such an effective exercise for a flat stomach. Now, you might be thinking a plank workout for flat stomach, that's it, but don't underestimate its power just yet. Let's dive into how to perform a basic plank, side plank, and some variations like plank jacks. Imagine your body as a straight line from your head to your heels. That's your goal for the basic plank. Start by placing your hands directly beneath your shoulders, like you're about to do a push-up. Ground your toes into the floor, and squeeze your glutes to stabilize your body. Your leg muscles should be working too. Be careful not to lock or hyperextend your knees. Neutralize your neck and spine by looking at a spot on the floor, about a foot beyond your hands. Your head should be in line with your back. Now, let's move on to the side plank. Begin by lying on your right side with your legs straight. Prop up your upper body on your right elbow and forearm. Raise your hips until your body forms a straight line from your ankles to your shoulders. Hold this position while breathing deeply, then switch sides and repeat. Up next we have plank jacks, a dynamic variation that combines a plank with a jumping jack. Start in a high plank position. Jump your feet out wide like you're doing a horizontal jumping jack, then jump them back together. Keep your core tight and your hips level throughout. The key to these exercises is maintaining proper alignment and engaging your core muscles. Think about pulling your belly button in towards your spine, but don't hold your breath. It's crucial to keep breathing evenly and deeply. Remember, when it comes to planks, it's not about how long you can hold the position, but how well you can hold it. It's quality over quantity. Don't rush into holding a 5-minute plank. Start with 20 seconds, then gradually work your way up as your strength improves. And there you have it. The basic plank, side plank, and plank jacks. 3 powerful exercises that, when done correctly, can help strengthen your core and carve out a flatter, stronger stomach. Remember, the key to a successful plank workout for flat stomach lies in your form, not the duration. Quality over quantity. Why are plank workout for flat stomach so effective for achieving a flat stomach and robust core strength? This is the question we're tackling in this segment. The plank is a superhero in the world of fitness, and it's no surprise why. This exercise is a powerhouse when it comes to targeting the core muscles. When you hold a plank, your body is forced into a position where it has to stabilize itself, engaging the entire core, including the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, and obliques. The transverse abdominis is the deepest abdominal muscle and plays a crucial role in defining that flat stomach look we all desire. But planks don't just stop at your abs. They are a full body exercise. They work your shoulders, arms, and legs too. And because they require you to hold your body in a straight line, they're fantastic for improving your posture. Strong core muscles from planking can help reduce back pain as well. A stronger core means a better back, as these muscles provide support for the entire back and spinal column. This can lead to less strain on your back muscles and a reduction in back pain. But the power of the plank workout for flat stomach doesn't stop there. This exercise enhances your overall strength and stability. You see, a strong core is the foundation for all movement. It helps you maintain balance and stability, whether you're playing sports, doing other workouts, or just going about your daily activities. Plank workout for flat stomach also boosts your metabolic rate. Because they work several muscles at once, your body burns more energy, increasing your metabolism even after your workout. This means you'll be burning calories even when you're not exercising, making planks a great tool for weight loss and maintaining a healthy body weight. In essence, the power of the plank lies in its simplicity. It's a single exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, improves posture, reduces back pain, and boosts metabolism. It's like a one-stop shop for core strength, flat abs, and overall fitness. As you can see, plank workout for flat stomach are the secret weapon for a flat stomach and a strong core. So, are you ready to make planks a regular part of your workout routine? Ready to take on the plank challenge for a flat stomach? Now that you've learned the power of the plank workout for flat stomach for targeting belly fat and strengthening the core, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Commit to adding planks into your workout routine. Start with a basic plank, holding it for as long as you can, then gradually increase the duration and add variations to keep your muscles guessing. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of planks is all about perfect form and targeted engagement of your core muscles. As you embark on your plank workout for flat stomach challenge, we'd love to hear about your progress. Did you manage to hold the plank for longer than you thought? Have you noticed any changes in your strength or physique? Plank your way to a stronger, flatter stomach. Give the plank workout for flat stomach challenge a try and share your progress. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts.